Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you what to do if your Wi-Fi isn't working on your POCO F8 Ultra. So, at first, what I recommend is to have your phone unlocked. Now, once it's done, go straight to the settings. Here, tap Wi-Fi. And now, once you have found your Wi-Fi, if it's turned off, make sure that it's turned on, then it will be working. But if it's turned on now, turn it off, wait for a moment, for example a couple of seconds, and turn your Wi-Fi back on. This will make your Wi-Fi working. Now, if it's working, that's nice. But if it's not, what I do recommend doing is to tap on your network that you have remembered. Tap on this network, as I said. Here, scroll down, tap forget, and OK. Now, tap on the same Wi-Fi network on the list, enter the password to this network, and tap connect. Now, once you're connected, this should work. If it doesn't, you have to manually walk to the router and turn it off. It's because sometimes just the Wi-Fi issue and trouble, and you just have to turn Wi-Fi router off and on. The same you can do with your phone. Click volume up and power and move this white circle straight down to the reboot. Now it may take a while, so don't worry, but once it's done, we'll be good to go. So now, as you can see, we are here and we can unlock our device. And now, when device is unlocked, what I do recommend doing is to go not to camera, go to settings. And now, actually your Wi-Fi should be working, but if it doesn't, we have to go just further. So if it does work, you don't have to go further. So now, once we are in the settings, we can go to the about phone. And here, as you can see, if you do see any update your phone immediately. It's because here in this phone you may have just some Wi-Fi bug, and the update can just fix it. Of course, you'll have to just update it via the mobile network, but yeah, it will work. And as the final tip, you can go back, scroll all the way down to the additional settings. Here you have to scroll even further until you see need other settings. Here tap factory reset at the bottom of your screen, and as always, last usual, you can just factory reset your device. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.